Hello everyone. Today we will discuss management as an art or a science. This side Dr. Deepak Kumar Manocha, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Sanatana Dharma College, Ambala, Kent. There is a conflict about the nature of management where management is a science or an art. Some management experts consider it is a science and some place it is a category of art. So it is a very old concept and misleading conflict. Before understanding the issue about the nature of management, it is important to understand the meaning of science and art. The feature and the meaning of science and the art will definitely will clear that key management is a science or art or both. In this video, we will discuss management is an art, management as a science. Let's start. Management as a science. So first of all, we will discuss what is a science. Science. It refers to the systemized body of knowledge that explain certain general truths. Science refers to the systematic body of knowledge which acquired on the basis of observations and experiments, and the verification of the knowledge is possible. For example, a person complete his study of engineering. During the course of study, he get complete theoretical knowledge of the subject. His acquiring of knowledge in the manner is a science. Characteristics of a science are systemized body of knowledge, principle based on the experiment, and third one is universal validity. If all these features are in the management, then we can say it is a science, otherwise it's not a science. Let's check. Testing of the management as a science. First of all, first feature of the science was systemized body of knowledge. It is necessary for the science to be the systemized body of knowledge. Management is also systemized body of knowledge because it has its own theories, principles, which are developed by the management experts after a year of research. So on this basis, we can say management as a science because it have a systemized body of knowledge. It have own theories, principles. Second, we can check is management fulfill the characteristic of universal validity. Scientific principles are based on truth and they can be applied at every time and in every situation. The universal application is possible in the field of management also. Managerial knowledge and the principle of management are considered to be based on truth, and they too can be applied anywhere at every situation, but the principle of management are not exact as a principle of science, as their application may not yield the desired results always. So on the basis of truth, we can say that management is also a science. It qualifying the universal validity feature also. And third one is principle based on the experimentation. In the science, after applying these characteristics of the science to the management, we find that development of the management took years for the collection of the facts, analysis, experiments. So in other words, we can say that management comes to existence because of the continuous and encouraging labor of the theorists and the various people concerned. For example, F.W. Taylor defined the scientific management and Henry Fayol defined the administration management. So these are the continuously efforts done by the different persons. So on this basis, we can say that management is a science. Management cannot be treated as a perfect science. It is principles are subject to change with the time, situations, and human nature. So it's a better to call it applied science or inexact science. Ernest Dale has defined management as a soft science because its principles are not very rigid. So at conclusion, we can say that it's not a perfect science, but it's a applied science. Now we will discuss is management is an art. First of all, we will discuss what is a art. Art. It refers to the practical application of existing knowledge successfully, skillfully. So, art refers to the practical application of existing knowledge skillfully. For example, when a person, after completing his course of engineering, start working as an engineer in a company, his work is known as art. Following are the important characteristics of the art. Number one is existence of theoretical knowledge. Second is personalized application. And third is based on practice and creativity. Now we check if these features are available in management or not. If these features are available in management, so we can say कि management is an art, otherwise not. Let's check. Existing of the theoretical knowledge. Art is always based on a certain theoretical knowledge. On the basis of this knowledge, we can understand how particular work can be accomplished. In this context, management is an art because it has a lot of literature is available in the various areas of the management. So on this basis, we can say that management is an art. Now we check the personalized application feature. The use of available theoretical knowledge is found in the varying degree among different persons. For example, two teachers, two players, and two goldsmiths will always differ in performing their job. So it's a personalized application. So management is also personalized application. The management possesses these features of the art too. The principles of the management are developed by the various experts, and manager applies this principle according to their knowledge, according to particular aspect, and according to their experiences also. So it's a personalized application. For example, a manager can do the work in a different manner. Another manager can do the work as another manner. For example, a student is attempting a same question paper in another way, and another student is doing in another way. So it's a personalized application. So we can say management is also an art, and it's based on the practice and creativity. Just an art can be embellished with the help of practice. In the same way, managerial skill also improve with practice. Every manager has a desire to become a complete expert in field. They can fulfill their desire by continuous practice. A fully developed manager are not only mold the organization according to the changing circumstances, according to outward circumstances also. So management possesses with the feature of art too. So means it based on the practice. A child when do the practice in the home, he learn all the subject day to day and in his life. So we can say that management is also an art on the basis of practice and creativity. The above analysis clearly established that management possesses all the features of art. Hence, we can say management is an art. At last, we can say the management is both science as well as an art. As a science, management with the help of its principles provides the necessary guidance to the manager to achieve practical efficiency. As an art, management in the form of best work techniques helps the manager to face every type of situation successfully. Thank you very much.